Yoga, a new future. I welcome you, one and all, on the International Day of Yoga 2020, which is a very different International Yoga Day. I welcome you all to the international webinar being organized jointly by Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kanpur and Indian Yoga Association. I take this privilege to welcome Professor H. R. Nagendra, Padma Shri, Chancellor of S. Vyasa, President of the Indian Yoga Association, and the Yoga Guru of the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. I welcome you to this webinar. You are known as an international figure in the field of yoga. I welcome Sri R. Subramaniam, who is the Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the invited speakers who are here to deliver their deliberations on the International Yoga Day. In this sequence, I welcome the Secretary General of the Global Interfaith Watch Alliance, Ms. Shadvi Bhagwati Saraswati. I also welcome Dr. Rajvi H. Mehta, who is from Mumbai. I welcome Mr. Kaushab Dev Kachar, who is the Director of Krishna Macharya Healing and Yoga Foundation. I welcome the well-known Vice Chancellor, Professor Madan Lal Brahmabhat, who is the Vice Chancellor of King George Medical University, Lucknow. I also welcome Mr. Ved Prakash Sharma, who is the Inspector General of Police. And in this sequence, I would also like to pay my gratitude to the entire organizing committee who has helped us in organizing this webinar. I thank Mr. Ravi Turmulu from the core of my heart for taking the initiative to organize this webinar, who is the organizing chairperson and joint secretary of the Indian Yoga Association. I also thank Srimati Ekta Borderlake, who is the co-chairperson and the working director of SPPRC and the Indian Yoga Association National Program Coordinator. I also express my thanks to Dr. Hari Shankar Singh, who has been helpful in coordinating this entire program. He is the founder head of the Department of Education from BBAU, Lucknow. Last and not the least, our own organizing secretary from Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Dr. Praveen Katiyar, who is the director of Indian Health Institute of CSJMU. I welcome you all from the core of my heart. Today, we are talking about yoga because it is the International Yoga Day. Yoga has always been important for us because we know that it helps to calm our nervous system. It helps us to build up our sense of self, as we call it. It helps us to develop better relationships, and it helps us to become aware of our own shadow qualities which lie within us and we are unable to analyze them. And it also helps us to deal with family of origin issues. Yoga has always been important for us. For us, especially for us Indians, because we also say that yoga has taken its origin from India. Today, we are all stressed up in this situation where COVID-19 has become a pandemic all over the world. In this stressful condition, where we do not have a proper drug to cure from this disease, we do not have any vaccine. Now it becomes imperative that how to save ourselves from this disease. It is at this juncture that we are moved towards yoga because we know that yoga is an excellent stress preventer. It helps us to boost our immune system. It helps us to increase the capacity of our lungs, and it also helps us in boosting the lymphocytes of our body, which are helpful in boosting the immune system of the body. Therefore, that is what I said in the beginning, that this special International Yoga Day is truly special because on this day, clubbed with its other qualities for human health, today we are also thinking of boosting our immunity through yoga. It is not only we that are saying this, but it is also the entire Ministry of Ayush who is saying this, that we should take the help of yoga so that our immune system becomes strong. We are seeing that day by day yoga is becoming very popular. And on this day, that is the 21st of June in the year 2020, we must take a pledge that we should adopt this practice of yoga so that we are able to save not only our health, we are able to save humanity, and we are also able to boost up our immune system. I feel greatly privileged that on behalf of Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, we have tied up with the Indian Yoga Association, and we are able to organize this event so that it is we are able to communicate the message of yoga to one and all. I also feel privileged to tell you something about this university, that is Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, which ranked 17th in the All India AVI rank out of 878 universities. It was also ranked as the top contributor of NAD by securing 98.8% upload values in the year 2020 and AISHE survey 2019-20, and it ranks fourth in the All India rank in uploading its PhD thesis, which is one of the prime areas of the Government of India as laid down by the University Grants Commission. The university has grown tremendously during the past few years, and it has had a very good infrastructure. During the past few years, we have been able to generate infrastructural facilities, including a very fantastic centralized parking plaza, an international standard meeting swimming pool, which is ready for use. It has the Deen Dayal Auditorium, which has been recently constructed. It has initiated a CNG free bus facility, which is a hop on, hop off facility for our students. And we have a new law department building known as Atal Bihari Vajpayee Vidhi Sansthan. We have a new biotechnology laboratory which meets with the international standards, and we have our upgraded pharmacy department with postgraduate classes. We have initiated 20 new courses during the past 2 years, and in this we have initiated certain very new courses, including certain skill-based and professional courses. We have also introduced new and unusual courses like Garbh Sanskar and the course of happiness. We have taken certain new initiatives to develop the campus into a pollution-free zone. It is a no-vehicle zone inside the campus where our students either they move in the CNG bus or they are walking or they use bicycles. We have organized several events, and I'm also very happy to say that we organized the first alumni meet of this university, in which the Honorable President of India, Sri Ram Nath Kovindji, was the chief guest of this occasion. We have had very many academic and infrastructural extensions, and we have organized very many course events during the past few years, so that it has now become a university meeting all the standards and criteria of national and international standards. During COVID-19, we have taken certain initiatives, and we have tried to uplift the status of the university to e-teaching, e-learning by developing new e-content courses, by organizing a number of national and international webinars, and also taking the concept of e-learning to the masses. I feel very happy to say that we are contributing immensely, not only at the state level, but also at the international level, as how we are going to meet the challenges during the COVID era and the post-COVID era. It is my great pleasure to share with you something what the university is doing with respect to yoga. योग केंद्र जो छत्रपति शाहू जी महाराज विश्वविद्यालय में स्थापित है, इसका उद्घाटन दिनांक 19 अगस्त 2019 को हुआ था, और इसमें भारतवर्ष के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के योग गुरु, जो आज भी यहाँ मौजूद हैं, उन्होंने इस हमारे केंद्र का उद्घाटन किया था। मैं उनकी बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ, जिन्होंने इस विश्वविद्यालय में आकर इस केंद्र का उद्घाटन ही नहीं किया, बल्कि इसके साथ ही उन्होंने 2 दिन का 19 अगस्त 2019 और 20 अगस्त 2019 को उन्होंने एक हमारे विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम का भी आयोजन किया. He organized the SMET program, that is self management of excessive tension. ये देखिए प्री कोविड एरा की बात है और तब भी गुरुजी जानते थे कि एक टेंशन की अगर एरा आएगी उसके लिए उन्होंने हमारे छात्रों को तैयार किया. एक वर्ष पहले ही मैं उनके प्रति बहुत बहुत आभार प्रकट करती हूँ. इसी के साथ उन्होंने एक प्रपोजल दिया एक MOU डेवलप करने के लिए. छत्रपति शाहू जी महाराज यूनिवर्सिटी on the 20th of August 2019, they signed an MOU with S. Vyasa, and we are developing training centers all over the university, different campuses. We have 1,100 affiliating colleges which are spread over 11 districts, and one by one we are rapidly increasing the number of these yoga centers in our university. So this is how we are spreading the message of yoga from one college to another, from one campus to another. और हमने इसी के साथ साथ हमने एक योगा सेंटर की यहाँ पर स्थापना की है. और इस योगा सेंटर में I again feel very proud to say that it is the only university in the state of Uttar Pradesh which initiated a 3-year BSc program in yoga. इस BSc program in yoga plus 6 months of training program, we are trying to inculcate the very concept of yoga right at the grassroots level, where our students will know about the entire physiology of yoga, about the anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. ये जो एक कोर्स हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में प्रारंभ किया गया है और इस कोर्स में हमारे पहले बैच में ही we had 40 seats, and I feel very happy to share that all our 40 seats were filled up during the first year itself. I, from the core of my heart, welcome this August gathering, and on this day of International Yoga Day, आज जब हम लोग पूरी दुनिया में योग की बात कर रहे हैं, आज जब हम ये जानते हैं कि योग ही हमें बना सकता है, जब हम हार चुके हैं, जब हमारे पास कोई दवा कोविड-19 के लिए नहीं है, जब हमारे पास कोई वैक्सीन नहीं है, हम सब योगा की तरफ मुड़ गए हैं और हमें अपनी बॉडी को हेल्दी बनाना है. A healthy outside starts with a healthy inside. यदि हमें बाहर से हेल्दी दिखना है तो हमें अंदर से हेल्दी होना पड़ेगा, and that's where we are boosting our immune system. A healthy outside starts with a healthy inside. Our body is simply a temple. हमारा जो बॉडी है वो एक मंदिर के भांति है. Our body is a temple. Start getting worshippers. We should now start getting worshippers. Don't play the victim. Try to be the victor. I am sure that with these brief concepts and with the knowledgeable deliverables which are going to be given shortly by the eminent speakers who are present here, and above all Guruji who is here, who is going to tell us something about yoga, its concept, its uses, and how today it can be very useful for the entire human population all over the world. With these few words, I welcome you once again to this international webinar on yoga, a new future. Let us look forward to a new future indeed. Thank you very much.